Have you ever been so focused on reaching a goal that you forgot to live in the moment? There was once a young boy named Aaron who lived in a peaceful coastal town. Every morning, he would watch fishermen sail into the open sea and return with their boats full of shining silver fish. Aaron admired them deeply, especially one old fisherman named Elder Rico, who never failed to come back with the biggest catch. One day, Aaron gathered up all his courage and approached him. "Master Rico," he said with excitement in his eyes, "please teach me how to become the best fisherman in the village. How long will it take?" The old man looked at him kindly and replied, "If you learn with patience, perhaps 10 years. Aaron jumped in quickly. "But what if I practice every single day without resting? What if I work harder than anyone else? Then how long?" Rico thought for a moment and answered, "Then 20 years. Aaron was confused. "But shouldn't I improve faster if I try harder?" The old fisherman smiled and placed a gentle hand on his shoulder. "Listen, boy, when your mind is always chasing the result, you won't truly learn the craft. You'll be so focused on catching the biggest fish that you'll forget how to row, cast, feel the wind, and read the sea. And a fisherman who doesn't respect the sea will always return empty-handed." Those words stayed with Aaron, but he still didn't fully understand. The next day, Rico decided to show him instead of explaining. They sailed out into the open waters. Aaron sat in the boat, restless and staring eagerly at the fishing net. "Why aren't we throwing it yet?" he asked. The old man chuckled. "Because the sea is speaking." Aaron looked around. "Speaking? I don't hear anything." "You will," said Rico. "Feel the breeze. Watch the waves. Notice how the birds move. The sea tells us where the fish are. But if your mind keeps shouting, 'Catch, catch, catch,' you'll be too loud to hear it." For the first time, Aaron sat silently. He felt the boat sway, heard the distant calls of the seagulls, watched how ripples moved gently in one direction, and suddenly he knew where to cast the net. They threw it, and within minutes it filled with dozens of fish. Aaron looked at Rico in awe. "I didn't even try, I just felt it." The old man smiled and said, "That's because today you were present. You were not chasing the reward. You were living the journey." Lesson. In life, chasing success is good, but obsessing over the destination blinds you to the path. Like Aaron, many of us rush, stress, and push ourselves so hard that we forget to learn, grow, and feel the moment. So whatever you're working toward, whether it's a dream career, a new skill, or a better life, don't keep staring at the end. Breathe, walk steadily, learn deeply, enjoy every step. Because true success isn't just in reaching the destination, it's in becoming someone worthy of it along the way.